The OnePlus 15 is officially coming this October in China, and OnePlus has already started rolling out teasers, giving us our best look yet at the front design and display of this highly anticipated flagship. According to the official teaser, the OnePlus 15 features a flat AMOLED panel with rounded corners, an industry-leading 1.15mm ultra-thin bezels that's slimmer than almost any phone on the market right now. On top of that, it's confirmed to support a 165Hz refresh rate, making it one of the smoothest displays we've ever seen on a smartphone. Reports also suggest it's a 1.5K resolution panel, which is a small downgrade from previous generation, but it's probably done to balance between display quality and power efficiency. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is fueled by the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Early Geekbench listings reveal that this beast will come with 16GB of RAM and run on Android 16 out of the box. For software, the China version will feature ColorOS 16, while the global edition will get OxygenOS 16, clean, fast, and feature-packed, exactly what OnePlus fans expect. Now here's where things get insane. The OnePlus 15 is expected to house a massive 7000 mAh battery. That's a true game changer for a flagship this slim. Alongside, you get 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. So not only do you get multi-day battery life, but you can also top it up in record time. On the back, OnePlus is introducing its Detail Max engine camera system. This includes a 50-megapixel 1x1.56-inch primary sensor with f1.6 aperture and OIS for excellent low-light performance. Supporting it is a 5-megapixel Samsung JN5 periscope telephoto camera offering 3x optical zoom, and of course, an ultra-wide lens for those expansive shots. OnePlus has already shown off official camera samples, and the results look extremely promising. Here's the exciting part. OnePlus India has already begun teasing the OnePlus 15, which means the global launch might happen as early as November or December. Much earlier than the OnePlus 13, which only launched in January 2025. And it doesn't stop there. OnePlus is also prepping the OnePlus Ace 6, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, launching alongside the 15 in China. A modified version of this phone will reportedly debut in India as the OnePlus 15R, giving buyers even more options. So here's the question, with this specs, is OnePlus trying to project OnePlus 15 as a gaming-focused smartphone instead of the true flagship killer? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more breaking smartphone updates.